Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Brave your default browser on Windows. Setting Brave as your default browser means that web links will automatically open in Brave instead of another browser. First, open Brave browser on your computer. On the home page, you may see a Set as Default button near the top of the window. Click this button to begin the process. If you don't see that button, click the menu icon in the top right corner, select Settings, and then open the Default Browser section. From there, click Set as Default. Windows settings will now open automatically. In the Default Apps section, choose Brave Browser and click Set Default. This tells Windows to use Brave as the default browser for opening websites and web links. After the change is complete, return to Brave Browser. You can now browse the web normally, and any links you open from emails, documents, or other apps will open in Brave by default. That's all it takes. Making Brave your default browser is quick, simple, and only needs to be done once. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Brave browser tutorials and technology guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.